Hi there, Victor. It's Marcy here. I spoke with you a little over a week ago in regards to shooting a custom video about your business for you. So here I am to do that, and I am going to share with you 3 things that you could do today to start bringing in more value to your business, beat your competitors online, and get more customers looking at your website. You're probably wondering why do I do this? What's in it for me? What I found is when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it could actually work to their benefit. And sometimes their only hesitation is to hire someone to do it for them is because they don't know who's the expert and who isn't. So I have found that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their businesses for free has resulted in some of those business owners raising their hand and saying, hey, I like you, I like what you've done here, please do that for me. So if you like what you see by the end of the video and you have any questions or you need me to help you out, we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take these free tips that I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me as well. So, as I said, 3 things. I'm going to try to keep this real brief, but the 3 things that carry the most weight, the keys to ranking a website and getting more traffic to your website and therefore to your business, are content, backlinks, and citations. So I'm going to begin with content, and what I mean by content when I'm highlighting here, all of the images, all of the words that you have on the homepage of your website here that I've got up, that's what I mean by content. Great pictures. People, of course, love to see the before and after pictures. They look great. What Google likes to see, though, actually, I'm going to take a look. So you can see how you've just got image underscore 648 blah blah. That could be named roof cleaning Vancouver, roof cleaning whatever area you want, the keyword, the service, and then the location. Let me take a look and see what locations you've got. You've got your services. So unless I'm missing, I'm not sure of where you would like, if it's just, the whole entire Metro Vancouver area. But see, again, this is this type of things why Google likes to see 1,000 to 1,500 words of content. Content is because when they find a website, they go in there and they crawl the entire thing, and what they're looking for is to know what services you offer and where you're offering them. So then they can then match you up with when somebody comes to their search engine and types in whatever service. As I said, I'm using Roof Cleaning Vancouver as our example today. I know you have many services, but just targeting that keyword for this demonstration. So you do have pictures, but unfortunately these pictures aren't labeled to what it is. I mean, even though this is a guy just hanging here, we could name that window cleaning. And again, it's just image 0139. So those are missed opportunities search engine optimization wise, a way of communicating with Google to tell them what it is that you're doing. So that ties in with helping them to rank you. I'm going to go into, just give you a quick overview. Paid ads are always going to go at the top of the first page of the search results. The next area is the Google My Business listing, map listing, and down here is the organic. So backlinks is where I'm going to move to next. Backlinking is what helps to power your website up through the search engines and to be showing up on the first page of the search. This will help to explain why Google will put some sites here and some sites 20 pages deep. So what a backlink is, first of all, a backlink is a link from another website on the internet back to your website. Now, if you think of to understand why this has relevance, think of the internet as a big popularity contest. So when Google sees that you have all these other websites on the internet that are linking back to yours, well, it gives you credibility. Now, in saying that, not all links are created equal. You want to have them coming from websites that Google, they've got they're okay in Google's eyes. There's sites out there that are not so favorable that you wouldn't want to be getting backlinks from them. So you want to have them so they're trusted and respected by Google. And the power from those websites in that situation is going to pass on down to your website, which is what helps drive you up through the search. So I've put your website into this tool that shows us what's going on behind the scenes. What it shows us is that you have 2 referring domains, so 2 websites on the internet that are referring back to your website, giving you 15 backlinks. You're being found for 7 words, but it's probably a number of pages deep into the search, so people aren't finding you organically. It sees here that maybe you've done some paid ads or running some paid ads now, or done them in the past, but that's how people, why they have that paid ads section up there. People that aren't ranking on the first page can get themselves visible on the first page by doing paid ads. Now, I grabbed one of the sites that was ranking here organically on the first page so that we could put their site in and see what you'd have to do if you wanted to beat them. Because all of these things that I'm showing you, if you just get, you know, a stronger backlink, work on getting a stronger backlink profile, you get more content and, you know, keyword rich, of course, better written, and then citations, which I'll come to in a moment here. But they have 13 referring domains, giving them 235 backlinks, and they're being found for 303 words, and they've got about 20 visitors a month to their site organically. So you can see where build those up, a stronger backlink profile, because with yours we're kind of weak there, and you can definitely beef that up a little bit and get the content to work with it. Tag those pictures, and then move to the third area, because you can be seen with ads, be seen down in the organic, and if you'd like to be seen more in the better chance of being seen, best case scenario is one of the top 3 up here. What powers this up are citations. So a citation is a place on the internet where you would find your exact name, address, and phone number of your business. This map listing is a citation. So Yellow Pages, 411, 3 best rated, any directories that you find where you're listing your business, Yelp, Facebook page is a citation. As I said, all those places where you find your name, address, phone number. So just like the content, just like the backlinks, you're just trying to do more and do it better to beat out your competitors. Here you would just get more citations than all the rest, and that's going to help to push you up in the rankings for the maps listing as well. So I hope you found this information beneficial, useful, Victor. I'm going to email this off to you, and I'll follow up to make sure that the video did in fact make its way to you and you had a chance to watch it. I would really appreciate any feedback that you have for me. Love to hear it, so I look forward to talking to you soon.